Adding Mailchimp to your WordPress site can really elevate your email marketing game. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily so you can start growing your email list. By the end, you'll have Mailchimp fully integrated into your WordPress website, ready to send campaigns, manage subscribers, and more. Stick around because there's a special bonus waiting for you that will make this process even easier. Let's dive in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. You can search for it directly in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and in the search bar, type Mailchimp for WordPress. Once it shows up, hit Install Now and then activate the plugin. This is a crucial step, and it's what enables the integration between Mailchimp and your site. Next thing, after activation, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account to the plugin. Simply go to the Mailchimp for WordPress settings under the plugin menu. You'll see a space to enter your API key. To get this, log into your Mailchimp account, go to your profile, and find an Extras drop-down where you can generate your API key. Once you've got it, paste it into the plugin settings and save. Now, let's move on to adding a sign-up form to your WordPress site. After you've connected your account, go to the Forms section within the Mailchimp plugin. Here, you'll be able to customize the form that visitors will use to subscribe to your newsletter. You can choose fields like email, name, and other custom fields. Once you're happy with your form, Mailchimp for WordPress will give you a shortcode that you can place on any page or post. Paste this shortcode wherever you want the form to appear on your site. The fourth thing is embedding the form on your website. You can add your form to specific posts, pages, or even in your website's sidebar. To add it to a page or post, simply edit that page, paste the shortcode where you want the form to appear, and then update your post. To add it to your sidebar, go to Appearance, then Widgets, and drag the Mailchimp form widget into your sidebar. Select the form you created and save. Once you've done that, it's time to test the form. Go ahead and sign up with an email address yourself to make sure it's working correctly. Make sure you receive the confirmation email and that the subscription appears in your Mailchimp account. This ensures everything is set up and that you're ready to start collecting subscribers. To wrap it up, if you want even more control over your forms or need more customization, there are advanced options within Mailchimp that let you create landing pages and automate emails for your subscribers. You can explore these as you become more familiar with the tool. As a final note, we've teamed up with Mailchimp to offer you an exclusive extended free trial. So, check out the link in the description below to get started and take advantage of this offer. Trust me, you'll want to give this a try. It'll save you time and effort when managing your website's email marketing. Remember, you've just learned how to add Mailchimp to your WordPress site, and now you're ready to take full advantage of its features. Thanks for watching.